Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is Wednesday, October the 5th. The time is around 2:15 a.m. GMT. And for today we're gonna be looking at the chart of the Nike here. This is a short-term 30 minutes chart. And we can see the Nike is rallying today, and we're still looking for the downside overall. Against this September 29 high in the first degree now against 99.9. This current three-days rally is already, if you mention the equal leg, more or less about to reach the 100% extension between 89.6 and 92.3. From here we can end this wave 4 and continue to see further downside again. So overall, again, the right side still remains lower. As you can see, the arrow is down with the red color. That means still it is bearish for the time being. And if we zoom out a little bit to get some ideas about the larger time frame, let's take a look at the weekly time frame. This is the all-time high in November last year. Now from here we can see we got this one. So let's assume this is our first swing, right? And this is the correction. So this is your second swing here. Now you notice here we still missing the ideal target on the downside, all right, which is this level over here. This level over here around 77, right? We're still missing the 100% ideal target over there, and we still continue to be bearish for the time being, right? Still below this trend line. So all in all, we're still calling for another leg down. Besides, if you notice here, we also got this lower low from here. We got this lower low from here, right? So if we measure extension with that lower low, again, it's still missing the ideal 100%, which is 78.9. So for now, you see the incomplete lower low bearish sequence from both November 2021 as well as from March 2022, all of them pointing out for the downside. Also, if you take a look at this, look at this one looks like an extended wave 3 type of move. So again, it seems incomplete, looks incomplete, and therefore the rally should continue to fail in 3-7-11 swing for the downside. Now this is one potential path in which the rally can fail and continue to turn lower. Now another option will be, let's say wave 3 of this ended here. So let me move it here. So if that wave 3 instead of another leg down to finish 3, the 3 could be ending right here, right? So let me put down, this is your 2 and this is your 1, right? So we're looking at the 5 waves move from the peak here, 1, 2. Let's say if this is a 3, so I think the alternate is that the rally actually can become a bigger, like a 5 waves rally, 1, 2, let's say 3, 4, 5, like this, right? It could be doing a 5 waves ending A, right? And then do a B, and then do a C before going down again. So that's another alternate. So you can do a bigger rally in that case if you are already in the wave 4. Now let's move to the weekly time frame again. Now in that case, this can become like maybe something like this, maybe retesting the trend line again and fail, go down again, right? But wave 4 typically should be somewhere between 23.6, 38.2, no more than 50%. The 50% is around this trend line here, so 97.5. So ideally it doesn't break above this trend line. Ideally it doesn't break above 97.5. So again, if this is the alternate there playing out, then we might be getting a bigger rally instead of just this very short-term rally and then go down again to end the wave 3. But it doesn't change the idea that for the downside is expected. we eventually is going to look for around 77 as the minimum target on the downside here to finish this cycle from November 2021 peak. Okay, so that's the idea for the Nike. We got two paths. Either we are extending lower to finish 3 and then do a bigger fall and lower again, or 3 could be ending here and we might be already doing a bigger rally, but still gonna fail anyway. 4 for the downside, targeting at least 77 or so as the target on the downside. Okay, so that's the update from the Nike. And if you do want to get regular updates on stocks, ETF, indices, Forex, commodities, cryptos, we do have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. So I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day to you all.